Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the starter motor on Volkswagen Fox 1.2 petrol. The starter motor on this car is located on the side of the engine. We can't see it from here, but in order to get access to the starter motor, first we need to remove the battery housing and the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the air filter housing and the battery housing are removed, we have access to the starter motor. This is the starter motor right there. The starter motor is held by two bolts, one on top and one on bottom. We also need to remove the electrical connector and the power cable. This is the electrical connector right there. In order to remove it, first we need to remove this metal clamp and then pull out the connector. Also we need to remove this plastic cover on the power cable and remove that nut. And this is the top bolt of the starter motor holding the starter motor. There is a nut on before the bolt which is holding the ground cable. First we start by removing this electrical connector and the nut for the power cable. Next we're going to remove the nut holding the ground cable. When we remove the ground cable, then we'll have access to the bolt holding the starter motor. Now we have access to the bolt holding the starter motor, so now we're going to remove it. Once we unscrew the bolt, we're not going to be able to remove it now. We'll be able to remove it when we remove the lower bolt and then move the starter motor to the side. We'll start by removing the engine under tray. Next we're going to remove the lower bolt for the starter motor. We can see the lower bolt of the starter motor just behind those hoses and cables. We can see there is a nut on it that is holding some metal bracket. We need to remove the nut first, remove the metal bracket from the bolt, and then we're going to remove the bolt. The nut is now removed and the metal bracket is removed, and this is the lower bolt holding the starter motor. That's the lower bolt holding the starter motor removed. Next we're gonna go on top of the car and remove the upper bolt of the starter motor and remove the starter motor. You can see it's very complicated to remove the top bolt of the starter motor because the gears on the gearbox are in the way, but you manage to wiggle it out. And once you remove the bolt, then we're able to remove the starter motor. And that's the starter motor out. Now you can repair it or replace it, and putting it back on is in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.